Okay, this is the continued part of the 6-3 notes, okay, for the quadratic equation, graphing quadratics, okay. Sorry, my video shut off, so I'm going to try this again. Anyways, I'm on number 3, and I'm just going to continue exactly where I left off. So now we need to find our vertex, and our formula is to find the x value of the vertex. It tells you it is negative b over 2a. So now we're going to plug that in. So negative b, it's negative 2, so your sign changes. So it's going to be 2 over 2 times a, which is negative 1. So you're going to get 2 over negative 2, which would give you negative 1. Okay? Now you know your x is negative 1 on your vertex. Now to solve for your y, you need to plug it back in the original equation. So y is equal to, you're going to have negative, right? And then you're going to have negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 plus 8. So now then, your negative 1 squared is a positive 1, but you have a negative sign in front of that. So negative 1, negative 2 times negative 1 gives you positive 2 plus 8. So now you get 9. Okay, that's your y. So your y is 9 for your vertex. So now you're going to start with negative 1 and 9 for your vertex. You're going to pick points. You can go up or down. So we'll do 0, 1, 2. Okay, and now you're going to plug those values in. So plug 0 in, and you're going to get y is equal to negative 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 8. So this is going to give you 0 minus 0 plus 8 gives you 8. So now let's do 1. Y is equal to negative 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 8. So that's going to give you 1 squared, so negative 1 minus 2 plus 8. So negative 3 plus 8, which will give you 5. And your last one is going to be y equals negative 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 8. So this will be 2 squared, which will give you 4. So negative 4 minus 4 plus 8. I'm going to give you 0. So your 2 is 0. So that's your point. So we're going to plot on your graph. So let's go over here. Your vertex is going to be negative 1 and 9. So it's going to go all the way up here. Then you're going to have 0 and 8. Okay. Then you're going to have 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to have 2 and 0. So 2 and 0. Okay, so now this is your axis of symmetry, which is your vertex, right? So we're going to flip it. So it's going to mirror on the other side. Where are we? Yeah. Okay. That's what it looks like. Alright, so we're doing the same thing, okay? You're just using a different formula, and it tells you what your vertex is. And it also told us that our y-intercept was 0, 8, which it was. We found it to be when we filled in our chart, right? Our point 0, 8 was right here. Okay? So number 4 will work the same way. We'll do another example in class tomorrow. That's enough.